Every bride who walks into our Kavani shop has to get the best out of what they dream for. What we make sure that we shouldn't compromise on our work, the quality, but should give the best to our customers in the best rate. So you won't see Kavani having one set of same design to all our collections. We would work on different collections, different designs, and we make sure that we do more of hand embroidery and give in a best price. We focus on giving an outfit where beauty meets the price and which makes our brides happy. Glad and happy to welcome you to our shop and experience the warmth that we could offer you.